How to get video transcript full guide. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about how you're going to be able to transcript any video in the easiest and most simplest way. Now, for this, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using Zemo AI. Now, Zemo is an AI that is totally free and it allows you to transcribe video to text online. So you can either paste a YouTube link or TikTok link or upload your very own video. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and upload my video, right? So once we click on upload, you're going to click on upload again. And let's say I'm going to go over to my videos and I'm going to click on any single one of them, maybe a shorter video that will allow me to, quickly go ahead and get a transcription out of it. So let's say I'm going to go ahead with one of these over here. Okay. So go over to any video, and once you've gone over to any video, what you're simply going to be doing is just choose it and make sure that the video has that will basically allow the AI to properly transcribe. Then you're going to choose the spoken language. Obviously, I'm going to go with English. And now it's going to ask you to sign up. The sign up process is very simple. You can continue with anything that you have. I'm going to personally go ahead with Google. And once you do this, it's going to ask you to, sign in with your consistent Google accounts that you want to manage your workings with. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in with the Gmail account that I feel like I should sign in with. Now, once I choose the correct Google account, we're simply going to wait for it to load in and we are going to click on continue from here. Now, once you click on continue, it's going to say 1 moment, please, and it's going to load you in to your main loading section where it should let you know that you are fully signed up with Zemo now. And once you're done with that, it's going to bring you to this space. Now, once you're over here, it's going to bring you to this section where it says it's uploading your video. And the best part about Zemo is that you can do proper transcriptions of the video. Like you can create auto subtitling with proper captioning that allow you to give the hosier effect to your subtitles and captions in the easiest and most simplest way. Now, I'm simply going to wait for my video to be uploaded and transcribed to give you an example on how it looks. Now, once everything is dandy and good to go, it's going to load things up like this. And as you can see, for every time frame and keyframe we have, it's going to give you the proper texting. So let's hear it out. Let's actually see if it's accurate. Adobe Premiere Pro 2024 new features. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Adobe Premiere Pro and all the new features. So you can see how accurate it is. You can see how well it transcribed everything. So basically, that is how you can get a video transcribed in the easiest and most simplest way. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.